First rates, any second now, will come up on your screen. You're going to start again with what is happening to the Sensex, the Nifty and the Bank Nifty. The breadth, touch wood, not bad at all. Unlike what we've seen yesterday, it is not bad at all. The Bank Nifty is down by 1.5% and the Sensex is down by about 0.75%, not even 0.75%. The small cap is flat and the mid cap is flat. But where is HDFC Bank? Just stay with that actually. And it's a 4% cut. It is not like it may look like a 13% cut in 2 days, but ADR down 9, stock down 4. It is not like a one-on-one comparison. First. Second, the breadth of the market, I think there seems to be marked improvement. And third, even though HDFC Bank is down, Kotak, ICICI Bank, Axis, IndusInd Bank, they are holding on. Every bank needs to be approached differently because of growth, CASA and the liability book. So what happened with HDFC Bank does not hold true for others. And if that is true, then you actually could see a differentiation which may start today or tomorrow in terms of outperformance and underperformance. But I quite like the start. It is not scary. It is not that some pending orders were left yesterday and somebody is just, rushing in to sell them. There is more green than red, at least if I look at the market breadth also. Aisha?
Yeah, absolutely. That's HDFC Bank, another 3% gone there. But it's good to see that it's not the same quantum of a fall. And again, mind you, these are early days. When HDFC Bank also yesterday started off with a 4% gap down and then finally eventually shut shop with almost a near 8.5% decline. So let's see how the rest of the day pans out. Let's not be in a hurry to call it quits, that this is going to be the only selling that HDFC Bank is going to see, or for the matter, the rest of the banking pack as well. Kotak Bank, Axis, ICICI Bank, they're a lot better than what we had yesterday. Although if at margin you were to see, they're still pretty much in the bleed. What is Reliance up to? What is L&T doing? What is ITC doing? Because remember, the selling yesterday was not just restricted to the banking pack. It finally, spread across the rest of the large cap basket as well. ITC is flat. There is some green on both L&T as well as Reliance, and I guess that's why the index is slightly better placed. Although even yesterday, Reliance started off in the green and then finally drifted lower with the rest of the market. So let's see where all of this heads. LTIMintree, let's see what that is seeing by way of an earnings reaction. That stock will just come up for you on your screens. There's a 9.7% gap down coming in on LTIMintree. So I don't think that it really sort of merits this kind of a fall because, yes, the BFSI sector is under pressure, but should return to growth in the coming quarters. That is what the management commentary seems to be highlighting, that clients have not firmed up budgets, and where they have, it's down or flat as of now. So I think it's the reading in between the lines, which seems to be not really going down well with LTIMintree. The management stating where the clients have firmed up budgets, the spending is down or flat, and that is facing the heat on LTIMintree. 10% of a gap down coming in on this stock. Is that now rubbing off on the rest of the IT pack, and is that rally getting stalled? Because yesterday the only island of green was actually IT. So let's see what Infy is up to. Flat right now in trade. TCS 0.5% higher. HCL Technologies was actually a big mover yesterday, about 1.5% up in the green. So yeah, that rally also, or rather that move also is getting a little bit stalled. But ONGC, BPCL, L&T, the Adani group of names, they're all actually holding up in the green. Kunal, it's not as bad as one anticipated, or at least one was bracing ourselves after yesterday and this morning. What trades are you punching in?
So L&T, is the stock which I would look to go for a buy, because I think that's a stock which has been resilient. It's still trading with a positive bias. In fact, I think at 3,500, 3,580 odd mark, it's a stock which looks attractive in terms of the support as well as the near-term chart structures.
All right, Naresh, what is your outlook on the market open, and what would be the first trade that you're punching in?
So a decent open in the markets. The small cap index actually is in the positive. So overall, looking at small caps again. So buy on Symphony, continue to like the stock at current levels.